The benefits and uses of castor oil for skin and hair. I would like to talk about the advantages of using castor oil on your face. It is beyond a doubt that it is nature's natural Botox. It has demonstrated its worth over the years. It has been around for thousands of years. The Egyptians used it. The Romans made use of it. Because of its medicinal powers, it was used by a number of different cultures. First and foremost, should we be concerned that castor oil includes the deadly ricin? In fact, it is 6,000 times more poisonous than cyanide. This compound is 12,000 times more poisonous than the venom of a rattlesnake. Let's begin by talking about castor oil. It can give your skin a smooth, luminous, flexible, and tight appearance. If you have small, fine wrinkles, bigger wrinkles, or dry skin, you should use castor oil. The main phytochemical that is responsible for all of these amazing results is ricinoleic acid. This moisturizer goes deep into the skin. It helps you stay hydrated by keeping the water in there, more or less. This is the reason why a lot of people use this oil to their face before they go to sleep. They are surprised to realize how much their skin has altered when they wake up in the morning. You may also apply this on your hair. In just a moment, I will show you how to use it on your hair and scalp. If you have dry hair or split ends, you will surely see a considerable difference in a short length of time. This molecule, which is derived from plants, is very good in decreasing inflammation. If your face is puffy, using castor oil to it is a very efficient way to treat it. Castor oil also has antimicrobial benefits. You should know that your skin is home to a wide variety of microorganisms that live on its surface and make up a rich ecosystem. These bacteria are present to protect you from a range of dangerous poisons. It is important to know that an excessive amount of bacteria, yeast, or even fungus can cause a variety of skin problems. The most effective treatment for it is castor oil. Acne is also caused by bacteria. Castor oil is another excellent source of vitamin E. Taking vitamin E can help protect you from factors like pollution and ultraviolet radiation. Castor oil has properties that can help a wound heal. Therefore, you can apply it to a wound to assist in the healing process. In addition, it contains other features that assist in removing the darker areas on the skin. This can help you get a more uniform skin tone overall. Castor oil contains beta-carotene, which is a precursor to vitamin A and can help keep your skin healthy. The high levels of magnesium and potassium that you have may be beneficial for your skin. There is even some evidence that castor oil can help speed up the creation of collagen, which is actually pretty vital in the anti-aging process in order to keep that collagen as full as possible. You should definitely apply castor oil to any scars you have, including acne scars, stretch marks, and any other scars on your body, especially on your abdomen. You should apply a few drops on the scar and gently dab it for around 30 seconds each day. This anti-inflammatory action is as effective as ibuprofen. What actions can we take to implement that? There are hundreds of other types of oils that you may blend it with, but many people choose to combine it with coconut oil or olive oil. Other people do not meet the necessary requirements. They use it in its current state because one of the issues with this oil is that it is thick and little sticky. Simply apply a few drops to your fingertips and massage them into the areas of your face that are dry, wrinkled, irritated, or itching. You only need to apply a little more of it to those areas. If we are only talking about a few drops, it will cost you approximately 3 cents each day to achieve these outcomes. I recommend that you use this before you go to bed. It is possible for it to permeate and be absorbed into the tissues when you wake up. If you are pregnant and not ready to give birth, you should be careful of putting it around your abdomen or pelvic area, as it could trigger you to go into labor. Another reason for this is that some women use it to take off their makeup. They may also mix it with other types of lotions to use it as a makeup remover, as it offers additional benefits. If you intend to use it on your hair, I recommend that you thoroughly massage it into your scalp, particularly if you are experiencing hair loss. If you have alopecia, it may be beneficial to encourage hair growth. You should thoroughly scrub the areas of your scalp where you want to grow hair, making sure to rub it in well. Furthermore, I recommend that you apply around 4 drops to your hands and then run it through your entire head of hair before going to bed. As a result, when you wake up, you will notice that your hair is well hydrated. If you want a recommendation for castor oil, I would consider spending a bit extra money on a cold-pressed variety that does not include hexane. That is a material that has the ability to dissolve other substances. You like organic things better. They also use hexane and other seed oils to extract certain compounds. As a result, if you consume soy oil, canola oil, cottonseed oil, or maize oil, you may be ingesting some hexane. Jamaican black castor oil is used by a lot of people. It seems to have some unique characteristics that make it better than the castor oil that is usually available in other parts of the world. If you want to make your eyelashes longer, castor oil is a good option. You will start to notice positive results if you apply a small amount of this product to the roots of your eyelashes on a daily basis. Lastly, what is your opinion on the toxin that is included in castor oil? You don't have to worry about it. This oil is produced using a method that eliminates that specific toxin. The people who make this product know that it has this toxin in it. As a result, it is checked to make sure that there are no toxic substances in it. Regrettably, there is no straightforward treatment for this if someone comes into contact with it. Simply visit the hospital to learn about the services they may be able to provide you with. If you have a small amount, you will die in around 36 to 72 hours. It can be really dangerous. On the other hand, if you are utilizing the oil, you do not need to worry about it. It seems a bit contradictory that something that is so damaging may yet be beneficial to so many different parts of your body at the same time. It is very fascinating. I am grateful for your support as a viewer. You should see my movie about the most frequent nutrient shortage, which causes a multitude of skin ailments, including dermatitis and other skin diseases, if you haven't seen it yet. If you haven't seen the video yet, you might want to think about watching it. I'll put it up right here.